Okay, so I just wanted to show you the new XDA Android version running on my AT&T Tilt 2 that I think I found somewhere in this crap hole over here. I don't know. It's an ancient little device. Anyway, so yeah, no SIM card. So it's running on Wi-Fi. Go ahead and bring it back up. Come on, buddy. Slow device. You gonna work for me, bud? This is not a good device to use as your primary device if you're going to run Android on it. It's just not ready for the prime time. There we go. Unlock it, and I'll just show you that the sound is working. Eventually will work. It's, yep, yeah, it's just not very fast. It's a very, very slow device, especially when you're running Froyo on it. It's not meant to be run on such an underpowered machine. But as you can see, it's working. You can get into the marketplace and download applications on the marketplace. Let me focus this thing real quick. There we go. It's too shiny to keep focus. Alright, so if the marketplace will ever load, I'll just grab the first thing that comes up. I'll grab Google search. It's painfully slow. And I'll click install. And I'll allow it to do all that crap. And eventually it will download. Oh, maybe not, who knows. I'll bring this down and you can see that it should pop up on the notification bar that it's downloading. There we go. Anyway, that's downloading. Let's go back to the home screen, which is the power button. Menu button is the Windows button, which doesn't want to do anything right now. Whatever. Send should bring up your keypad for the phone. There it goes. It's deciding to actually play my game now. Not very fast. Still playing the game. And yes, this is the overclocked version of the ROM from XDA developers, so no screaming, oh, just overclock it. No, it doesn't work. It sucks. It's freaking slow. Anyway, this is, you know what, this is trash. Look, it even gave me an error. You know what I think about that? We're just going to go ahead and kill it. Yeah. Trash. Goodbye, Tilt 2. Not even with a cool operating system are you cool. You just suck.